So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix full bars but no service on phone, network reset, SIM fix and carrier setting. So how to fix full bars but no service on phone. Full signal but no service is usually caused by SIM issue, network glitches or incorrect carrier setting. Start with simple fixes like restart, airplane mode and SIM reinsertion because moving to advanced steps. If nothing works, performing a network reset or contacting your carrier will resolve the issue. Fix 1 is toggle airplane mode on. Turning airplane mode on and off forces your device to reconnect to nearby network tower. In iPhone, open control center, turn airplane mode on, wait 30 seconds, then turn off. In Android, open quick setting, then tap airplane mode, wait, then disable it. So, fix 2 is manually select network. Manually selecting your carrier help fix incorrect automatic tower connection. In iPhone, go to setting, then cellular, then network selection, then turn off automatic select your carrier. In Android, go to setting, then mobile network, then mobile operator, then disable automatic and choose your carrier. Third one is restart your phone. Restarting your phone refers system process and clear temporary network glitches that may block service. In iPhone, press and hold side button plus volume button, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. In Android, press and hold power button or lock plus volume button, depend on model, tap restart and reboot. Fifth fix is reset network setting. Resetting network settings, clear all corrupted configuration and reconnect your phone to the network from scratch. In iPhone, go to setting, then journal, then transfer or reset iPhone. Then reset and tap reset network setting. Enter passcode and confirm. In Android, go to setting, then system, then reset option. Tap reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, then reset mobile network setting. Confirm reset. Sixth one is reinsert the SIM card. Reinserting the SIM ensure proper contact between the SIM card and your device, iPhone and Android. Power of the phone, use the SIM ejector tool to remove the tray. Clean and reinsert the SIM properly, turn the phone back on. Seventh is test SIM in another phone. Testing the SIM in another device help identify whether the issue is with the SIM or the phone, iPhone and Android. Insert SIM into another phone, check if network works. If the works, your phone has the issue, if not SIM or carrier problem. Eighth one is contact your carrier. Contacting your carrier help resolve account issues, SIM error or outages. Ask for SIM replacement, check if your account is active. Confirm no outages in your area. Thank you.